Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Today's drawing was suggested by Judah in America. This drawing's for you, Judah, and thanks for the suggestion. Judah suggested that we draw a lion. This lion's for you, Judah. Here we go. First, let's start by drawing the lion's eyes. Boop. Boop. Good job. Now the insides. Boop. Boop. All right. Next, let's draw the eyebrows. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Good job. Next, for the nose, we're going to draw a triangle. Boop, boop, boop. All right. Now, let's draw that nose. Boop. Good job. Now, it's time to shade. Woohoo! Now, we're going to draw the sides of his nose and mouth. So we're going to draw a big curvy shape that starts at his eye and ends at the tip of his nose. Here we go. Boop. Good job. And one more time. Boop. All right. Now, just draw an oval for the bottom of the lion's mouth. Boop. Good job. Now, we're going to start drawing the top of your lion's mane. To do this, first, we're just going to draw a nice big curve starting from the middle up here and coming over here like this. Boop. Easy. And one more time. Boop. All right. Now, we're going to draw another curve to draw the side of the face. Like this. All right. Our lion is looking good. Next, draw a little curvy line like here. And here. These will be the bottoms of the ears. Let's draw those ears. Easy peasy. All right. Now just draw some lines inside. Looking good. Now, let's start drawing the top of the mane with some big curves. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And over here. And over here. And over here. And over here. Now, before we do any more, we're going to come down here and just draw the bottom point like this. Boop, boop. All right, now just connect it. Doo, doo. Woohoo! Oh, let's draw those whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, let's start drawing his legs. Starting here, draw a little line. Just like that. And then just bring that line down. Boo. Good job. Now, let's start drawing his foot. Just draw a curved line like this. Boo. Good job. And then bring it down and over. Boo. Good job. Do that again. Boop. Boop. And one more time. Boop. Boop. Now, just bring the line up, and you got a foot. Draw a little line. Now you got the back of his leg. We're almost done with that first leg. Draw a little bump, and a little line. Ta-da! One leg done. Let's do the other one. Come up here And just give it a little 1, 2. 1, 2. Looking good. Let's draw his knee. 1. Okie dokie. Just draw a little line. Boop. Okie dokie. One more line. Boop. Okay. And now let's start drawing those toes. Over, down, over. That's 1. Do it again. 1, 2. Looking good. And 1, 2. All right. Now, just draw a little line right here. And we did it. We drew 2 legs. Woo! Looking good. Now, let's draw the lines back like this. All right. Now we can draw the front of his leg like this. Looking good. Bring that line down and around right here, like this. All right. We're going to draw that back foot. Just bring this line down and around and over to make that front toe, like this. Good job. One more time. Good job. One more time. All right. Now just bring this line up and connect it. Up, 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 up. Curve it in and back out. Ta-da! Looking good. Now, we want to draw the bottom of his chest and up to his stomach, like this. Good work. Let's draw that back leg. Easy peasy. Draw a line like this. And now, we just bring it up and around to draw that toe, like this. 1, 2, and 3. The foot comes up and it goes back in and ta-da! Now let's draw a line to show where his stomach's at. Good job. And I think we can draw the line right here too to show more of that stomach. All right. And maybe add a little line here. There we go. Looking good. Let's finish up and draw that lion's tail. We're going to draw a curvy line that comes on up like this. Good job. And the bottom. Looking good. Up, down, up, down, up. Do the same thing on the other side. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop. And ta-da! We did it. We just drew our lion. Good job. And thanks again, Judah, for the suggestion. Don't forget, if you like this drawing, make sure you tell all your friends and don't forget to subscribe. This has been